With this third video, we finished the series about the most suitable MLRS for the Spanish Army. Let's see the fire capacities of the three MLRS. Everyone can reload their launchers in an average time of approximately 5 minutes. Let's start with the basic guided rocket of each MLRS. The American HIMARS is the one that uses the largest caliber rocket. But it is the disadvantage that it is the system that carries less containers per launcher, 1, and fewer tubes per container, 6. On the other hand, the other two models offer greater variety and quantity of rockets in all the comparative options that we are going to see. In maximum tactical reach, the Israeli LYNX model is the best. And in the rocket's own data, the defect of the American HIMARS in volume of fire tries to replace it with an explosive power twice as much as its competitors. Tactically, at this point, one would have to decide between few rockets and very powerful or many rockets, but with less explosive. The answer is in the tactical use that we want to give to these types of fire systems. That is, dispersion or concentration of fires. It is the tactical key. Compare the MLRS now, taking into account an advanced unguided rocket. The Brazilian ASTROS system is the one that offers the greatest variety of sizes. And also, the one with the greatest range and explosive power is able to offer. Between the American HIMARS and the Israeli LYNX, it happens as before to equal scope. The first, few rockets but with a huge explosive capacity, while the LYNX, 4 times more rockets but with half explosive power. Let us now compare a basic guided rocket of the three MLRS. These types of rockets use a GPS-based guidance system. Therefore, they have an average impact error, CP, circular error probability, less than 10 meters. As always, the American HIMARS has the least amount of rockets, while the Israeli LYNX is the one that offers the most fire, with 26 rockets. If we compare the explosive power offered in a full salvage, the LYNX launches 26 rockets, with a total of 780 kilograms of high explosive. By contrast, the American HIMARS with only 6 rockets launched, puts 540 kilograms of explosive, in a rain of fire of more than 2,400 bombs. Let us now compare an advanced guided rocket of the three MLRS. In the case of the Brazilian ASTROS, they are data of the future ASTROS 2020 rocket not yet available. Although, in this case, the HIMARS offers a greater number of rockets than the LYNX, the range is double in the Israeli case, and also, with a greater amount of explosive. By multiplying the number of rockets by the amount of explosive loaded, the HIMARS launches 540 kilograms of HE, while the LYNX launches 440 kilograms only of HE.
Disembark.
An MLRS can also launch missiles. In this case, we are trying a certain type of strategic ammunition, rather than tactical. These types of missiles, usually, use a triple guidance system, redundancy global satellite navigation system, GNSS, and inertial navigation system, INS. Again, I offer some data of the future AVMT-300 model of the Brazilian ASTROS. The caliber of the ATACMS is gigantic, compared to that of the Israelite LYNX missile. But this shows, as always, that the HIMARS can only launch one single missile per salvage, unlike the 4 of the LYNX. With equal range of distance range, here we can see that the LYNX can throw 560 kilograms of HE, against only 227 kilograms of HE of the American HIMARS model.